If you're looking for the perfect floor plan in a gated subdivision with a big backyard, you've found it here in Paseo Crossing. The large formal area is very versatile. You could fit a pool table in here, home gym, or use it as intended for entertaining.
The kitchen and great room are perfect for large gatherings.
The primary suite is conveniently located on the first floor.
Let's go and check upstairs.
Up here you'll find a spacious loft
With 3 bedrooms and 2 baths.
Your quintessential Arizona home wouldn't be complete without a sparkling pool. This Chandler, Arizona home is just minutes away from shopping, restaurants, golf, parks, the best movie theater, the Alamo Draft House, and near some of the biggest employers in Arizona. With 3,272 square feet, this home has room for everyone. Thank you for taking a quick tour with us. Make sure you put this on your must-see list.